Let's walk through a sea terrace cabin aboard the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady cruise ship. Today we are touring a sea terrace room on deck 8 forward, room 8318Z. Virgin Voyages does not have room key cards, so to enter you will scan your C-band like so to open the door. Immediately to the left, you can see the closet, which has plenty of space to hang your clothes, all with hangers and a shelf above. Now this is a standard sea terrace cabin, and it is slightly different from my previous sea terrace cabin from the Valiant Lady. You can either have your bed set up as a king or 2 twin beds. The room features over the headboard lights, several pillows, a blanket, and beach towels. There's also a chair which is next to the full-length mirror. You have a flat screen TV with a vanity area where you will see the tablet where you can control everything in the room from the curtains, room temperature, and TV. You can also request room service and housekeeping on it as well. They also included a hot mat for any hot irons for your hair, and next to that you will see the phone and fridge, which has 2 glasses and 2 glass water containers that are filled every day. I always put my waters in the mini fridge so that it is nice and cool whenever I return to the room. And next to the fridge there's also storage space, and you can see the ottoman chair. So now we're going to head to the bathroom where you switch that light on, open it, and you will see the large mirror, sink, and the bathroom essentials. It has those LED lights. They also have those makeup towels as well as like the hand drying towels, and you can see everything below. They have you all stocked up. And then as you look over to the left, you'll see the shower, which is enclosed and has hair wash, conditioner, and body wash if you want to use that. There's both a rain shower head and a detachable shower head, and you can switch between the two. Now let's take a look at the closet area where you have plenty of space to hang your cruise clothes, several hangers, and space to place your luggages below, along with 2 storage areas. You can close this curtain and open the closet door where you will see the safe, blow dryer in that black bag, and life vest above. Below that you will see more space to place your items, 4 drawers, and space for your shoes. The closet door also has a mirror. Now let's take a look at the balcony, or sea terrace as Virgin Voyages calls them. Although I originally booked an insider lock-it-in cabin, I was able to upgrade to the sea terrace about 2 months prior to the sailing. As you slide the glass door, you will see the view of this balcony. This location is situated between XL sea terraces and the obstructed view sea terraces where you see the lifeboats. This cruise is leaving from the port of Athens, so this is the view. And of course, the main reason why you have to get a sea terrace on Virgin Voyages is this hammock. Now, as you make your way back in the room, you'll notice the lighting, which you are able to change the brightness or dimming level, as well as the color according to your mood on the tablet. Before you can use any of the controls on the tablet or head out to grab your first meal on board, you have to watch the safety video on the tablet. And here's a sneak peek of it. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and if you're interested in seeing more about sailing on Virgin Voyages, then make sure to check out my upcoming videos all about my Mediterranean sailing aboard the Resilient Lady ship. I also have a Virgin Voyages playlist from my prior sailing on the Valiant Lady on a different itinerary, as well as a Carnival Cruise playlist if you're interested.